Sometimes, have you ever wished that you can restore images or videos you mistakenly deleted from your Android devices? If you're on that boat, then this video is just for you. Especially maybe if you need some information on the image, as in the picture or the videos, and at the moment you can't really find them on your device. Then if that's what you want to do, then this video is all you need. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover or restore deleted images or videos on Android phone, and in this case we shall be using a Redmi device. It works the same, or the feature is still available in most Android devices, but as in this, for this video I'll be showing how to do that with my Redmi Note 10 5G. So the first thing, let's go to my gallery. As you can see, these are the images and the videos I have in my gallery already. So how can I actually restore images or videos that I've mistakenly deleted for some time past? So now let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing you have to do, we have to open the gallery app. I'm using a Redmi device, just like I told you. You tap on your gallery, and as you can see, you scroll to the top, you see two navigation. It says the photos, and the next one, it says an album. So you just navigate to the album section, and this is what you'll find if you're using a Redmi device. And as you can see, I scroll down to the below, then there's a section that says deleted items. So you tap on it. In some cases, in some phones, you see the name as recycle bin or something like that, but in the case of a Redmi phone which I'm using, it's indicated that it's deleted items. So now let's go. As I've tapped on it, as you can see, most images and videos that I've deleted from this very device, from this phone, for a long time. Now before you proceed, or before you think that it is once you delete an image or a video, you will always find it in the deleted item folder. But no, if you look at the top, and in the handwriting that is boldly inscribed in blue, it says deleted items are stored in the cloud for 30 days, which simply means that any images or videos that you deleted more than 30 days, you won't find them in this folder. So be careful. So I'm lucky enough that I still have this in this folder. Now let's tap on this image, and this is a particular image of I took a snapshot of in the game between Manchester United and Copenhagen in the UEFA Champions League of last week, the game of which Onana and Maguire was the hero of the game. So this image, I deleted it some few days ago. So now I want to restore this image back to my device. So as you can see, I've tapped on the image. You see two icons below. The first one is like a circle, which simply indicates restore, and the next one is a trash bin, which states empty, which means if I trash it now, I fully removed it from my device. So now all I want to do is to send it back, or I want to recover it back to my photo album folder. Just like I said, this video is about teaching you on how to restore deleted images and videos as well. So I just tap on the restore icon, and as you can see, it has automatically been restored. It's no longer in this deleted item folder or the recycle bin. So let's go back to my main photo album, and as you can see, the image, it is now being restored to my photo gallery album. So you can see how easy it is for you to actually restore deleted images or folder. And like I told you, note, this folder only keeps or stores files within 30 days. So any file that has been in this folder above 30 days will be automatically removed for the cloud, which means you can no longer restore or recover them back to your devices. So like I told you, this is a Redmi device. In some cases of Samsung, Infinix, Oppo, Vivo, and the rest, you might see a different name for this. And note, this normally works for recent devices, that device that run on, let me see, Android 12 and above, and the latest OS of your manufacturer. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. So if you still find any difficulty and you want to know more, you can go to the comment section and ask your question concerning any device you are using, and I will attend to them and respond to you on how you can recover such a file. So before you leave, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, and automatically be part of this channel, and you just anticipate for my next tutorial video. And before you leave, also, you can simply go to the playlist of this channel and watch other similar videos, tutorial videos alike, and learn one thing or two. So with that, we'll come to the end of this video and anticipate for my next video as we see again. So ciao and bye bye for now.